Oh, I'm hungry. 1 second. I have to eat food. Okay, this is probably like my first time ever saying that I'm hungry at your house. Like, actually mean it. Like, I'll just slop on the thingamabobber. Okay, like, all I can hear is this. I'm just like, what are you doing? What are you doing? And then I... Oh my God. Don't do that. Ew! Oh, whoa. Is this your plate or my plate? Whose plate is that? Just...
Oh, yeah, that is mine.
Oh.
Give me that plate.
He's like, oh, no. You're like, my sandwich, no! Someone hit me in the face. Oh, it's like, where's the mustard? I thought that was the bread.
Yeah, this is my bread.
But it looked like it too, because it was all dirty. Ow. Don't look at me. You can't do the same. Nice face, you look. Go ahead.
Whoa! What is that?
Mustard.
What's that?
A hole.
Why?
Your face. It's like your boob. Makes you look a little pale.
And just like this.
But like, damn, no more on 3D. And you're like, damn, those birds are in 3D. What is your face like?
It's spicy.
I can't breathe. Hit your mouth. Let me try.
Do you want some
It
lettuce
hit.
on your sandwich? You're doing a good job. You know, I know, right?
You give them away. I need my sandwich.
My mom get mad every time I know that how loud we usually are. Look. Okay, I was supposed to tell you this, but she thinks whenever you come over and you say your parents are home, that you just want to come over and hang out.
Oh, fail. Epic fail. Let me try. It landed in my mouth, but it hit like the back of the thing that wiggles, and then I was like, oh. It hit that. No, like it hit that, and it hits the back of my throat, and then my throat looks like it failed. So I was just like this. Let's retry this. Wait. You're like, I'm such with the jokes like. Is that the good face? What's so funny?
So, you're ready to? We're playing. I don't know where we're playing.
Fail. You can't even see you. Come closer. There you go.
Okay, but we were playing something.
Pass me a kiss.
We were playing basketball. And Josh, he put the basketball, he threw it, and then it bounced off the net, and I started running, so I was afraid I was going to get it. The basketball was bouncing out.
There she is. No, remember the one time me and you were watching the first Twilight movie and we had the chocolates and our parents come and I was like, run!
cracked it like run.
Good times, good times.
It's a leaf. Ah.
Whoa! I'm supposed to eat my...
Okay.